I'm Aldreama Harper, business organizing strategist and coach. I specialize in empowering solopreneurs, freelancers, and service based providers to ignite, build, and transform their business dreams into reality. With my signature framework, I guide my clients to build their dream businesses. In fact, my most recent client launched a six-figure business in less than a year. That's because I bring clarity, focus, and a proven roadmap to help you unlock your true potential. Welcome to the Organizedpreneur podcast. This is the ultimate podcast for female entrepreneurs looking to supercharge their business. So if you're feeling overwhelmed by the chaos in your life and in your business, if you're struggling to manage your clients, struggling with tasks, overwhelmed, worried about things falling through the cracks, you're in the right place. With my signature framework, you're able to turn your passion and hard work into a sustainable and profitable venture. That's because I have a 4-step framework. Number 1, organize. This is the foundational step where we lay the groundwork and infrastructure for your success. Number 2, optimize. This is all about effectiveness and making the best or most effective use of a situation, an asset, or a resource. Then systemize. Having systems ensures consistent, scalable operations. Then last but not least, it's time to monetize. That's where we turn your passion and hard work into a sustainable and profitable venture. So, if you're looking to explore how I can help you transform your business dreams into reality, let's chat. And you can do that 3 ways. You can book a time on my calendar, you can register for the 3-day or 5-day Transform Your Business Challenge, or subscribe to the Organizedpreneur podcast. All right, you ready? Let's go.